So to switch on your Fitpro watch, look at your Fitpro watch and you're going to see a circle here. Then press hold the circle like this for a few seconds and it's going to switch on. As you can see, it is switched on. You can also use your power bank to switch it on. Just put it by the side like this, put this pin side into power bank like this, and it's going to make it come on. Also, you can use your charger. If you don't have a power bank, you can use your charger, something like this, an adapter. Plug it into your adapter like this. Make sure it is touching the adapter charging point, and plug it into something like your power supply or power socket, and it's going to turn it on. So that is how to switch on your Fitpro watch. Now to connect it, you have to open your Google Play Store. So you go to your Google Play Store and download Fitpro app. Then you launch it once you have successfully downloaded it and connect it to your smartwatch. So the next thing to do here is to open the app and go to the option set. You are going to see set option here. Select that and select the option bind device to experience more feature. Select that and it's going to ask you for location open service. So you select that. When you select that, toggle on the location and select the back option here. Select the bind device to experience once again and it's going to start to scan. Please make sure you have your Bluetooth, your data and location turned on. These three are very important for you to connect. So once you have done that, it's going to search for your device around you. Here you can go to your smartwatch and select this circle once again. Each tap will make it to change the menu. So select it to the option that says more, then press hold on it and tap once again, and you are going to see the name of your watch, which you can see mine here. So as you can see, mine is LT716, which is the Fitpro watch. So you select that and it's going to try to connect. So let's wait for it to connect. Complete, Fitpro connected, and you can see it is connected. Now if I go back, you can see on my smartwatch it is connected here. You can see that it is connected on my smartwatch. Now select the option set once again and select find. When you select find, it is going to ring or vibrate on the Fitpro watch. Now you have connected. This is how to receive message on this smartwatch. Select message push option here and it's going to go to the message push option page. Make sure you toggle on the call reminder up here. When you toggle it on, it's going to show committing set successfully, as you can see down here. Select SMS reminder so that you can receive SMS reminder. If not, you are not going to receive. Make sure you toggle it on. Now you can go here to WhatsApp option, toggle it on for WhatsApp, and it's going to turn it on for Instagram and the rest of the social media apps that you want to receive notification from. Once you have done it this way, you are going to receive notification from your WhatsApp. All right, now I'm going to send a message to this smartwatch to see if it is going to work. So I'm going to send this: hello, this is testing, hope you got it. Now you can see it drop, and on my watch, as you can see, it is on it. So that is how to test it out in case you have message on your watch. Now if you want to change the watch hour to 12 hours, which is this, you can change it. And if you want to change it to 24 hours, you have to press hold the circle up here. So press hold it this way and it's going to change to 24 hours. And if you want to change it also, once again press hold and it's going to change to 12 hours. As you can see, my time on my watch here is the same thing with the time on my smartphone, as you can see here. Now if you want to change the dial settings, you have to come to the dial, select dial settings here, and it's going to open up the dial. Go to the recommended and select that. It's going to load up the dial watch face. As you can see, you can pick any of these dial if you want. Let's pick the Father Christmas. Okay, now you can now change the watch face by selecting synchronous dial. When you select this synchronous dial, it's going to sync up to your watch face here. Okay, so as you can see, it says during the dial upgrade option, in order to prevent upgrade from failing, please do not return app to the background. Okay, select got it, and as you can see, it is uploading to our smartwatch. So you have to wait for it to upload completely to your Fitpro watch. Now as you can see, it has changed the watch dial to this. Now if you want to change the watch face of this to your own picture, all you have to do is to select change dial before you continue with the synchronized dial. So you select change dial here and come down here to any picture that you want to use. Let me use this picture. Then you can use this slider to crop in or out, and now you select this tick option up here and select that. It's going to bring it up to this page. Okay, as you can see, it looks nice, but I want to shift this date, so I can select any of these to shift it. Once I select this, it's going to shift it up. If I want to shift it to the side, I select the other one. I think this one looks okay, so it's okay like this. Now you can select your synchronized dial. So when you select that, it's going to start to upload to the watch face. Once again, select got it, and it is coming up. As you can see, the picture looks nice on the watch face. So that is how to change your watch dial on your Fitpro watch. If you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section. The next thing to do here is to do the other settings. You can come here to the other settings and turn on the vibration. Okay, if you don't want it to vibrate, just turn it on this way and it's not going to vibrate on your wrist. But if you want the vibration, make sure it is turned on this way.